I am now going to go get one of my friends. Trying to ride a bike and hold the camera at the same time, but it's actually very, very hard. Hope the camera doesn't fall. Have it trapped on my bike. And yeah, I'm basically going to go get my friend. If he's not home, I don't know what I'm going to do. He's coming out. For like been 5 minutes. Finally, he's out here.
Oh, sorry.
Finally, you're out here. So Dayton just went to go take a picture, and what are you doing actually? Dayton, what are you doing?
Are you filming?
No, I'm not filming. You see, there's no.
Oh yeah, you're not filming. You're definitely not filming.
Yeah. Cut. Dayton, are we gonna go see if Chris Chase is home?
Yeah.
Let's hope that he's home. Is it she or he?
I don't know.
Okay, that's nice. Apparently, Chris Chase is not home.
You don't know that. She could be anywhere.
Yeah, but she's a little bit big. You can see her.
At least it's not as big as you.
Okay, we're done. We're done. We are now heading to my house. My face. Yeah, everyone says my face is ugly. Is that true, Dayton?
Well, I'm a guy, so I'm gonna say yes. But what do you want me to say? Your face is beautiful?
No.
What do you want me to say?
I would have best no question say if your face is ugly.
Well, I mean, I guess do you want me to call you ugly? Yeah, that's okay.
What?
Nothing. They heard it.
It's raining? Nathan, how's it raining? I see no clouds. Dayton, it's gonna be a light thunderstorm. Glad to get some shelter. We are in. Whew. Go play some Fortnite. Dun dun. I'll catch you for y'all later.